old mural on the side of that building. Don't you wish you could get a Coke for 5 cents? Yeah. I'm walking around Galveston right now, parked up there by the library. That brown building there, the brown brick building, and the gray building just beyond is all part of one church, the Trinity Episcopal Church. Built in 2 different time periods. The first one here was, I want to say the mid 1800s. It's the church itself. The other one is the Eaton Hall, named after the rector that was there, and it was built shortly after the brown one was. So we're headed downtown. I've never really walked around down here, so we're going to see what there is. I thought these buildings look neat. I like the colors. They're older. That big one there is the I-Bands building. I don't see any dates on it, but I'm assuming that is newer than these. So nice little sea turtle for you. I guess they got these around town. There's a plaque down that says "Turtles About Town." It's all painted up. So. And over there, folks, you got the Black Pearl Oyster Bar and Grill. Looks like a pool hall a little bit further down. And that there is going towards the Gulf. You can see the ship down there, the blue thing with the white stripes on. That's a ship. I'm not sure about that orange stuff or yellow stuff. And I just came from that way there. And folks, this is the Tremont House. And you can see they're getting ready for Mardi Gras. You can see the colors there. So this will be the Mardi Gras area, and you'll have to pay to get down in here. So that starts the 21st of this month and goes until I think the 4th or 5th of March, something like that. So there you go, folks. Old Galveston Square. Big old coronet up there. I like that. I think they should have painted it gold, make it look brass. But that's just my personal opinion, since I played trumpet or painted it silver. You got the old time photo over there. Right there. And Saltwater Soul. Right there. We may get wetted on. More downtown. Got a little park here, a little green space. Big old colorful sculpted fish over there. Let's go take a look at him. Yeah, Pirates, Legend of the Gulf Coast, right there. Then the Stuttgart Garden Tavern. This is all made out of toys, it looks like. Buttons and plastics and stuff. Priscilla the Rainbow Parrotfish. Now, there you have it. Yeah, there's another sea turtle. Yeah. We're back down in the historic district. This is Riondo's. It's a restaurant. Headed for the train museum. There's a playground, patio bar and grill. We're back downtown here, the old historic district. And if you want to read that. Well, folks, here's another one of those turtles. I got a car parked here, so I can't get out there on the road and get a better picture of it, but let's see here. Yeah, Galveston School is having a field trip down there. You can probably hear the kids screaming. I just walked through them all. They're right there. Because their bus has the whole street blocked. So, there they are. They're getting ready for Mardi Gras down here. You can see all the different colored baubles up there. They do Mardi Gras here just like they do out there in New Orleans. So, we're in the downtown area. I was going to go to the train museum, but it cost $13 to get in. And I'm on a budget and didn't want to spend that. So, I'll forego that for now. There's a lot of good places down here looking to eat, and surprisingly it's not that expensive. It's more than I want to pay right now until I get another paycheck at the end of this month. Sorry about that, my finger's getting away. So end of this month I'll find some place to get something to eat down here and tell you what it's like. They got the signs here to tell you what's what, in case you're looking for certain stuff. Moody Parking Garage, the Grand 1894 Opera House, and then this way here. So. And I'm going to head back towards my truck if I can remember where it's at. I've got a map. I just need to pull it out and look at it. So, and folks, I'm going to tell you, there are not a lot of public toilets down here. Over by the Railroad Museum, there's a bus station. They have a public toilet. And then there's one over there by Fisherman's Wharf somewhere. I actually went to Starbucks, used theirs, and got me a small cup of coffee. And they're say right there on the door, restrooms for customers only. So, it'd be nice if they put some of these porta potties around town, because this is a kind of a walking area. Because if you can't find a parking spot on the side of the street here somewhere, and right now it's not bad, but you come down here on a weekend, oh, I'm sorry, nope, these parking spots you have to pay. Monday through Sunday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Paid parking enforced, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, there it is, folks, right there. And I want to say it goes, I've seen it as cheap as $18.50 up to $20. So, I'm parked. I left my vehicle up here by the museum because it was free parking. So, and there's a car parked there if you want to get it off the street. There's another car parked there. That says employee parking only though. And maybe that's the same, I don't know. So, but it is what it is. And here you got to scan to park. And here it is. Daily parking, $20 all day, tax included. So, and you scan to park. And let's see here. Parking, yeah. There it is. You can use your card or you can scan right there. But I'll bring y'all back later. Guess that's going to be the old Martini Theater. Looks like it's for sale, maybe. So I want to buy it and open up a bar in there. Call it Martinis. Another old St. Mary's Church. I'm sorry, St. Mary's Cathedral Basilica. Folks, this is the Ashton Villa. It is a private residence right now, but it also holds the Juneteenth memorial over there. And even though a lot of people celebrate Juneteenth nationwide, it's actually a Texas thing. But if you want to celebrate, celebrate it. No harm in that. And I'm guessing that is a public access area right there, because it has a sign on the door that says no guns. But right there, Juneteenth story. So I'm assuming that's Mr. Ashton. It's all private property, says no trespassing, so you probably have to come in by tour, because they do have tours. A lot of traffic in the background. You really can't see anything through here. Let me get down here a little bit. So there you go. And this all has something to do with Juneteenth. And Juneteenth is when the slaves in Galveston found out that they had actually been freed, but nobody told them. Word came in on a ship that the South had lost the war and all slaves were freed. Texas didn't want to quit that early though, so they kept fighting. So, and I may be a little bit off on some of that, but y'all can look it up. And folks, here's another old mansion. I'm not sure which one this is. I was thinking it was the Moody Mansion or the Bishop's Palace, but it's not. So maybe down here on the corner where she's standing, it'll tell us. And they're doing some work on this one. They sure are pretty old homes. And they're all privately owned right now. There is a way you can take tours of them though. So you'd have to look that up. Well, that's what it is right now. Yeah, folks, I'm almost at the Moody Mansion, which is about a block from the last one you looked at. You see a cruise ship right over there, so you're not far from the ship channel right there. And fire station's right there. And this is the Moody Mansion right here. Now this is the Moody Mansion, folks. And it's also the Galveston Children's Museum. So, where learning is child's play, Galveston.org. So, got some nice grills over there covered up. I'm not sure what it costs to go through, but for anything right now it's going to be too expensive for me. So, we're not going in. Maybe at the end of the month, when I get that new money in the bank, we'll come check it out. And I'm right here in front of it, so I can't get any better pictures. Okay, let's see here. And if you want to read more about the residence of W.L. Moody Jr., this was built about 1894. There you go. And you enter over there, is what it looks like. It would be nice to see the inside. And I may come back, like I said, at the end of the month. This has been listed in the National Register of Historic Places by the United States Department of the Interior, 1994. And 1900 storm survivor. It survived the 1900 storm, which destroyed most of the island. So, but it looks like it was built pretty tough. So, Texas limestone. There we go. There you go, folks. Original oleander planting in Galveston, brought in from Jamaica in 1841 by a local businessman. But y'all can read that. Yep. All of this here, going all the way down through there. That's pretty neat. Over 100 years old. And I know this ain't the original plant, but it is from the original. So they kept it going since 1841. This was placed here in 1939 when a new structure was put in. Okay, folks, we just finished our walk around Galveston, and we didn't see a whole lot of it. There's a whole lot more to see. I didn't go into any of the buildings really. Downtown, afraid I might want to spend money that I don't have. So I did walk 3.36 miles total. So felt pretty good when I left, but my feet are killing me right now. I got neuropathy in my feet. And if you don't know what that feels like, all I can tell you is buy a whole bunch of Legos and marbles and put them on your floor and walk across them barefoot. So it felt pretty good when I started out, but now they're hurting pretty good. So I think I'm gonna head back to camp, and it is 1:43. About time for me to cook up some lunch. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So, and probably work on this video. We will see y'all later.